Hello skaters! Today we are going to go through 6 exercises to prepare for jumps, one for each of the main figure skating jumps. These exercises are mostly focused on helping you improve the takeoff, the most important part of any jump. Let's begin with our first jump preparation exercise designed to help with the waltz jump and axel jump. We will start from a left forward outside edge glide. Bring your arms and free leg back, then swing them forward close to your skating leg. At the same time, bend your skating knee and ankle, pressing into the outside edge. As your arms pass in front of your body, lift your free leg with the knee bent and jump off the outside edge, landing on the back inside edge of the same foot. Right after landing, do a small half flip hop, pushing forward again to repeat the exercise continuously. Make sure to focus on jumping as high as you can, keeping a straight body line in the air, leading your jump with a strong free leg swing, bent at the knee and lifted from the hip. Stopping your rotation with your upper body after a quarter turn and completing another quarter rotation to land cleanly on the backward and side edge. Repeat the exercise multiple times. This drill will help you improve your timing, free leg coordination, jump height, and air position control, all essential elements for a strong and clean axel jump. Our next jump is the Salchow. We'll begin this exercise from a backward outside three turn into a mohawk. If you usually practice your Salchow starting from a forward outside three turn, you can use that entry instead. After the three turn or mohawk, glide on your left backward and side edge. Check that your free side is back, then start moving your free leg through. As you reach the top of the inside three turn motion, pick up your free leg and press off the toe of your skating leg, lifting your free leg bent at the knee and continue the movement in the direction of your circle. After the jump, turn your hips and land backward on the same leg. Right after landing, bring your free side through again and jump a second time, landing again on the same foot. Then repeat once more, this time completing a single Salchow. This is a great exercise to build your timing, rhythm, quickness, and body control. And most importantly, remember, go through and jump forward just like you would on a waltz jump before you start rotation. If you are just starting to learn your single jumps, head over to my website, styleskating.com, and check out my video course, Figure Skating Foundations. In this course, you will find in-depth tutorials and step-by-step instructions for all your basic skating elements, including skating skills, single jumps, and basic spins. By the end of the course, you will be a well-balanced skater with strong technique, skating with confidence and ease, ready to move on to more difficult skills in no time. Let's move to our next jump, the toe loop. The most important part of the toe loop is learning to move through with your skating leg while reaching back with a straight free leg and keeping your upper body aligned over your skating side. We'll start with a forward outside three turn. After the three turn, check your position. Your right shoulder should be back. Step onto your right foot. Pick up your left foot. Reach it straight behind you. Turn out and point your toe. As you prepare to tap, just step forward with your full blade, allowing your right leg to move through in front of you. Then pick up your right leg and glide on a forward outside edge, keeping your shoulders twisted outside the circle. Then repeat the pattern. Forward outside three turn, switch your feet, reach back with a long stretch from your arms and free leg, glide through with your right side, and when your right foot passes in front of your left, step onto your forward outside edge, pick up your free leg, and bend it at the knee. Repeat this drill several times. At the end, when your timing feels comfortable and your body alignment is strong, try a single toe loop. This exercise helps improve your entry timing, body alignment, and the reach and snap of the toe tap, all essential for a clean toe loop. Our next exercise is for the loop jump. We are going to use a combination of a backward outside power 3 turns into mohawks, followed by quick twizzles in a tight air position. Start by gliding on your right backward outside edge with your left side checked in front and your free leg on an outside edge in a crossed leg position. Bring your right side through so that both arms come in front of you. At the top of the 3 turn, pick up your left foot and perform a backward outside 3 turn, keeping your arms and free leg close to your body. Immediately after the 3 turn, open your arms, step into a backward inside mohawk, and repeat the same movement. After doing a few of these, pull your arms into a tight air position, tighten your ankles, and do multiple quick 3 turns or twizzles, then finish by checking out into a landing position. This exercise is not only great for the loop jump, but also helps improve your tight air position, body control, and overall jump stability. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Also be sure to check the description below for details about my YouTube membership options, where you can reach out to me directly with your skating questions and even request a personalized video on demand featuring the exercises you want to see. Now let's move on to the flip jump. This exercise will help you with the direction, rhythm, timing, and quickness of your flip takeoff. We'll start with 2 half flips. Begin with a forward outside 3 turn. After the turn, reach back with a straight free leg, making sure your shoulders are checked and lined up with your skating leg. Then tap with your right toe pick, do a half revolution, and land on the same foot on the toe. Push immediately into another forward outside 3 turn and repeat the sequence for the second half flip. After completing 2 half flips, do one more 3 turn and then go for a single flip jump. Throughout the entire sequence, make sure to check your shoulders during the jump. Keep your left arm in front of your body for control and alignment, and maintain a strong, quick rhythm as you move through each step. This exercise will build your confidence and consistency in your flip jump takeoff and help develop better control in the air. And now our final exercise and the very important one for the Lutz jump. Many skaters struggle with maintaining the correct backward outside edge before takeoff, often switching to an inside edge by mistake. This exercise is one of my favorite to help fix that. We'll be working on the backward outside edges on half circles. Start from either your right or left backward outside edge. As you push, move your free side back, twisting your upper body outside the circle. After each push, reach back with a long straight free leg and continue gliding in a stretched and twisted position, completing half circles. Make sure to bring your arms through closer to your hips for better balance and control. After 2 or 3 clean edges, push one more time, reach back, and immediately tap and execute a single Lutz jump. Then continue with another couple of backward outside edges and repeat the single Lutz again. Keep the sequence going across the ice. This drill will help you develop strong edge control, improve your alignment, and train your body to stay correctly on the outside edge through the Lutz takeoff. Today I introduced you to just one exercise for each jump, a simple, effective way to start learning them. But this is only a small part of what you will find in my Figure Skating Foundations video course. If you want to learn all your jumps faster and with proper technique, head to my website styleskating.com and sign up for the course today. Give yourself the tools to skate with confidence and take your skills to the next level. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.